Alright, hello there, welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Today I have another exciting tutorial, and in this one I'll show you how to download the Zee5 Movies app on Fire TV. Let's get into it. This will be straightforward, this will be quick. If you follow this to the end, you're going to have your app downloaded without stress. So Zee5 Movies, let's go. All you need to do is to go to the Find tab and go down to search menu. When you hit on search, you have this keyboard pop up. So you're going to go to Z, that's you type in the application we're looking for. So just type in Zee5, you're supposed to the app to pop up. So you have the Zee5 app. So this is it with the big Z and 5. So click on it and you have the download button loaded. So now it's loaded, click on the download button to begin the download. It's very quick. The download begin in a few seconds. Now when the download starts, all you need to do is to be patient. Just wait. When the download is complete, relax, wait for the installation process to start and finish. When the installation process is done, you're going to have this app directly installed on your Fire TV. You could also hit the open app button to access it immediately it is done downloading. And if you had value in that tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Yes, subscribe right now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.